Peace be upon you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the Golden PG airdrop. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. In the description, you'll find links to both my WhatsApp community and Telegram channel. Join both so you can get updates about any new airdrops in my Telegram community. Links will be in Telegram of free mini KG way like in screen. Due of YouTube policy I can show you, but join channel Telegram to find out. This airdrop works through a Telegram bot, so it will open on Telegram. If you don't have a Telegram account, create and register one using a VPN. You'll get the referral link in my Telegram channel and WhatsApp community. It is also pinned in the first comment. Click on it and make sure your VPN is connected. After opening it, click on the Claim option to start earning. Your speed will begin, and you will receive tokens per second. There is also a Tasks option. Click on it and complete all tasks. You can earn 250 PG, 75 PG, and additional PG by watching ads. There are about 25 days remaining in this airdrop, so earn as many tokens as possible within this time. After 25 days, the airdrop will be distributed. When ads finish, you'll receive your tokens. There are also community tasks that you must complete. One of the tasks will direct you to my Telegram channel. It's a promotional task I added, so make sure to complete it. There are other channels like Crypto King, Mount Official, and Moneyhub. You can skip them if you want, but make sure to join the Crypto KC Trader channel. A game feature is also coming soon. There is a Friends option where a monthly prize pool of 500 USDT is distributed. The top 100 referrals share 250 USDT, and 500 random winners share another 250 USDT. You can copy your referral link and share it with others. There is also a wallet section where all earned tokens will automatically convert to USDT and appear in your wallet. To withdraw, connect your wallet. The minimum withdrawal is 0.05 ton, and the current balance shown is 0.01.